Hi dear friends, this is Krita and I'm trying to draw nice perfect circles in Krita. So I'm using an ellipse tool and as I know I have to hold shift and to draw. Left click of my mouse, but it doesn't work. Without shift everything is okay, but it's ellipse, not a circle. And the point is that I have to hold shift, but I have to hold it after I already clicked and I'm holding the left click of my mouse. And then after I have to hold the shift. It's nice. Like that or without feeling inside. Go to tool properties. Fill, not filled. And the same is when I need to hold Shift and Control in order to draw the circle from the center of the circle. I have to do left click of my mouse and then to hold Shift and Control. See? That's it. Thank you. Bye.